In this tutorial, I will show you how you can make this kind of amazing text effect in Photoshop. So, let's get started. First of all, we are creating a new file in Photoshop. So, click on the New File button. Then, set the width and height of the file. I have set the width of the file to 1920 pixel and the height to 1080 pixel. Set the resolution of the file to 72. Follow all other settings as shown in the video. Then click on Create. First, we need to change the color of the background. So choose a paint bucket tool. Click on the foreground color to take color for the background. Choose the color that you want from the color picker. I have taken 313131. Then click on the OK button. Left-click on the artboard to fill the background. That will fill the whole background with your selected color. Now click on the shape icon and choose a rectangle tool. Press left-click on the artboard. That will open the dialog box. In that, you can set the height and width of the rectangle. I have taken 1500 pixel for the width and 8 pixel for the height. Then click on the OK button. We need to change the color of the rectangle. So click on Fill to change color. Click on the color picker icon, which will open the color picker panel. Choose the pure white color. Then click on the OK button. Now we need to align the rectangle with the artboard. So click on the Move tool. Click on the horizontal align icon to align the rectangle horizontally with the artboard. Select the rectangle shape and drag it upward as shown in the video. Now we need to have multiple copies of the rectangle in a downward direction. So press Ctrl plus Alt plus T. Hold Shift and press the down arrow 2 times to move 20 pixels of a rectangle. Or you can drag it manually and put it wherever you want to put it. Now press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus T multiple times to take copies as shown in the video. Click on the visibility icon of the rectangle layer to hide the rectangle. Now we need to write text. So click on the horizontal type tool. I have chosen Dharma Gothic E font for this project. You can change the size as per your requirement. I have set the size 800. Left-click on the artboard and write the text that you want. Select the Move tool. Click on the horizontal align icon to align the rectangle horizontally with the artboard, and vertical align icon to align a rectangle vertically with the artboard. Now click on the visibility icon of the text layer to hide the text. Click on the visibility icon of the rectangle layer to reveal the rectangle. Press right-click on the layer. Choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to the Filter menu. Choose Liquify. You can increase and decrease the brush size by pressing square brackets. Now simply draw with the brush to generate an effect. If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to ask in comment box. When you are satisfied with the result, click on the OK button. Now we need to create a mask with this rectangle layer. So, hold Ctrl and click on the text layer to make a selection. That will create a selection around the text as shown in the video. Click on Add Layer Mask icon. That will hide an extra part. Congratulations guys, we have successfully created this amazing text effect. If you liked my video, then hit like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get a notification on every new video on my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box.